Welcome back to Aztec's Introduction to MYOB EXO Business Analytics. In Part 3, we will be looking at the Finance tab. The Finance tab shows everything debtors related on the left side and everything creditors related on the right side. The graphs we are currently viewing shows us the breakdown for current, 1 month, 2 month and 3 month balances for our debtors, and on the right hand side for the creditors. We also have our aged receivables showing all our debtors with their 1 month, 2 month, 3 month and the total balance in a graph format. The same apply with our creditor side. Our total debtors screen shows the overdue invoices based on the due date, and it shows us the period invoices as well. On our creditors side, it shows us the overdue creditors invoices, again based on the due date. Next, we'll move on to our Purchases tab. This shows our top 10 suppliers by year-to-date margin. So all our stock that was sold, that was supplied by this creditor for this year-to-date was $13,267. We are able to click into our creditor to view any more details we want. Again, it is a read-only screen. You can also change the parameters to show more or less top suppliers, and you are able to print your graph from over here. Next, we'll view the top 10 suppliers by year-to-date purchase value. Now, there was no purchases made in our demo database yet, so that's why nothing is showing. We also can change the top suppliers to show, as well as print the graph. Our bottom 10 suppliers by year-to-date margin shows us which supplier's stock returned the lowest margin. Again, we are able to change the bottom supplier number showing, as well as print our graph from over here. Our purchases screen also have supplier invoices, which compares to our sales invoices. It's got lots of columns that we can view or sort by. There's also extra columns, and we can also change the columns that we want to view. You can also copy all the information to the clipboard and use it in Excel. We also have supplier sales history, showing the last invoice that was entered, the last payment that was made, the number of days it took to pay our creditors, the value spent with that creditor this year and the value spent for last year. Again, able to sort on any of those columns. You are able to change the visible columns, and you are also able to copy to the clipboard. We've got one extra tab that we will show you in our final part of our overview. Thank you for joining us.